this toy that I could think of is that it is to investigate how the magic sand reacts to different solvents. So let's get to understand more about it. The phenomenon that you can see in the video is that the sand forms clumps when immersed in water, and the sand remains dry after getting out of the water. So what's the science concept behind it? The first thing that the science concept in the magic toy, magic sand, is that solubility. When you immerse the magic sand in water, it will not dissolve. That's why it forms clumps like the ones in the video. Because the magic sand is a normal sand actually, but they are coated with hydrophobic properties, which is trimethyl hydroxylene hydrophobic. So it fears the water when it immersed in water, so that's why it forms clump when you see in the video. But when it removed out from the water, it forms a dry sand back again, because they fear water, so they did not dissolve in water like how a normal sand would. And it also covers on electron bonding. So actually, water can only form hydrogen bond with HFON. So HFO. So what's this HFON? Is hydrogen, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. So with the magic sand, the water contains oxygen, which it would not bond with the magic sand. So that's why the magic sand did not dissolve in water, because water could not make hydrogen bond with the magic sand. So that's why. And how about the solution that I used? Did you guys know what's the solution? You curious? Okay, let me explain more about the solution. So for solution 1, as you can see, it's yellowish, so it's actually an oil. So the sand clumps together with oil, and that's why, as you can see, when it immersed in the yellow solvent in solution 1, it forms hydrophobic solution together. It can dissolve in the oil. So how about solution 2? So the solution 2 is detergent. So the sand dissolved in the detergent, and the detergent actually remove the hydrophobic layer from the sand. So that's why the sand no longer form clumps in the soap water. And again, they form micelle when detergent remove the hydrophobic region of the sand. So how about solution 3? That was the mysterious answer in the toy demo. So solution 3 is actually thinner. So as you guys know, thinner is actually an organic solvent. So organic solvent can dissolve substances that are not dissolvable in water. So the sand did not form clumps in paint thinner, and the reason behind it is that sand that have the hydrophobic properties on the layer of the sand dissolve in non-polar solvent. So that's the reason why it dissolves in thinner. So the conclusion that we can get from this toy is that the magic sand reacts differently in different solvents. So the magic sand dissolves well in oil and paint thinner, but it's not dissolving well in water. And the magic sand can dissolve in water after you've treated it with some detergent, which remove the hydrophobic layer from the sand. So that's the science concept behind the magic sand. Now you know